Guys, what's up and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be showing you this new polygel kit that I'll be trying out. This kit is available on Amazon and this is from Gershion. Let's just take a look at this packaging. Like, this box is so gorgeous and it is huge. I really had to clean my desk off so you guys can see the full packaging. So let's open up this kit. All right, so this is the polygel kit. This is a humongous kit, and the first thing right off the bat that I noticed was that you get full size tubes. You get 6 1-ounce tubes of polygel. I've never seen any other kit contain so much polygel. Like, the value is out this world. So of course you get your tool here that has the spatula on one end and the gel brush on the other. And you also get a pack of dual forms. I'm not sure how many are in here, but you get a lot, and there are a lot of different sizes. Alright, so in the booklet, it tells you about the company, and it also gives you very detailed instructions on how to apply the polygel using the dual forms. So I'm going to be showing you guys some swatches of the colors. This one here is called Bean Red. This one is Natural Pink. This one is called Skin Color, and at first I didn't think I was gonna like it, but it is a really pretty color. And this is Dark Pink. And we have the white polygel. And finally, the clear. All right, so here are the side-by-side swatches of the colors. And today I'm gonna be using the Natural Pink. All right, so these are my natural nails. I'm just going to trim these down with my nail clipper. And I'm going to use the hand file provided just to further file my free edge and just get it super short. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the dual forms on my thumb here, and you want to make sure that the dual form fits well around your cuticle area and that it also reaches from sidewall to sidewall. The slip solution that I'm going to use is this rubbing alcohol, and this is 91%. I say anything 70 and above should work great. I've used both percentages in alcohol and haven't had any issues. So now I'm taking this gel base coat and I'm applying this to my nail. Now, as far as prepping, the only thing I did was wipe my natural nails off with alcohol before I started. So you just want to make sure all of your oils are off. So after applying the base gel, I just cleaned around the nail, getting any polish that got onto my skin or anything like that. And then I went ahead and cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Alright, so now taking that Natural Pink polygel, I'm just going to squeeze some out of the tube and place it into the dual form. And I didn't quite get enough, so I needed to get some more. And I'm just going to use my brush to lightly spread that about inside the dual form. And I find that this works best when you have a thinner coating around the cuticle area, thicker in the center and thinner on the tip. So it just takes some practice, but the polygel is very easy to work with. Alright, so after I have the polygel in the dual form the way that I like, I'm just going to lightly press that against my thumbnail. And you want to be close to the cuticle area, but you do not want to touch any skin. And you just lightly press. And as you press down, you are going to get some polygel that's going to squeeze out the sides. You want to go ahead and smooth that out with your brush. And also smooth the underside of the nail as well, because it creates a hump if you do not. So after that, I'm just going to cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. I do recommend getting a 48-watt lamp because if not, you're probably going to have to cure for 2 minutes, and I do not like to cure that long. So the 48-watt lamp works well. So after removing my hand from the nail lamp and making sure everything is nice and hard and cured, you just go ahead and wiggle this off. and boom, there you go. So as you guys can see here, this dual form did not completely go from sidewall to sidewall, and that's just kind of the way things are. Sometimes these dual forms aren't perfect, everybody's nails are different, so I will show you guys how I'm going to fix that later on. Okay, so moving on to the rest of my nails, I wanted to use nail forms because I want to do a different design. So I'm just applying the gel base coat to the rest of my nails, and I went ahead and cured that in my LED lamp. So after applying the nail form, I just squeeze out an amount of polygel, and I'll start with the cuticle area first and I work my way down. And I kid you not, guys, this is some of the best polygel I've tried. It is not super sticky at all. This polygel is actually less stickier than the other polygel kit that I tried out. So I am just amazed at just the quality and the amount that you get for the price of the kit. Like, hands down, this is the best deal. Alright, so after forming that nail, I went ahead and cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds and then pulled that off of the nail form. And as you can see, this nail is just gorgeous. Alright, so moving on to my ring fingernail, I'm doing a negative space design, kind of similar to this one here that I did before, because this was just one of my favorite nail designs. So I start off with that natural pink, but instead of going all the way down the nail form, we're just going to do kind of a short square. So after curing that, I went ahead and took it off the nail form, filed the edge so it could be super crisp, and then I put another nail form on, and I'm going in with clear polygel and just doing a really thin layer of that. And then I'm just going to press in this beautiful pink frost glitter into that polygel. And once I like the glitter placement, I went ahead and cured that in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I used the hand file again to crispen up that edge. And then finally placing more of the natural pink at the tip. So after curing that, I went ahead and encapsulated the glitter with the clear polygel. And once that was all set, I'd cured for 60 seconds. Alright, so for the middle finger, I just formed this like I did the pinky nail. And once again, I just really love the color, and I love the ease of this polygel. Alright, swinging back around to the thumb, I'm going to fix the side walls here. So I just put on a nail form, and I'm going to add more polygel to the sides. So after doing that, I cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So this is after all of the nails are done, and I'm just gonna take these nail forms off. I love the color and the shape so far. So now I'm just gonna do my shaping and filing. The beauty with Polygel is that it is softer than acrylic, so it's so easy to file. I kid you not, I did all the filing with a hand file. I did not use the e-file, not once. So after the nails are filed, shaped, and buffed, I'm just gonna go in with some bling, and I'm using the clear Polygel, and I'm just putting a little bit down where I'm gonna put the large stones. And without curing, I went over top of that with the top coat. And then I'm just pressing in my crystals. So once I like that placement, I went ahead and cured that. For my pinky nail, I wanted to add some polish, so I added this beautiful holographic gel polish. I get questions all the time asking if you can paint over the Polygel, and you definitely can. You can use gel polish, regular polish, it doesn't even matter. The Polygel is just as durable as any other nail extension, so you can go ahead and paint it as you wish. So I also wanted to add a border to the negative space nails as well, so I used that same gel polish in my nail art brush and created some lines. So after curing that for 60 seconds, I'm going in with the top coat, and this top coat is really good. It's a bit thinner than what I'm used to, but the shine is so good. So after doing the final cure in my nail lamp, this is the finished look. I love how these nails turned out. They are so gorgeous. I really enjoyed working with this Polygel. It was such a breeze to work with. I really appreciate it not being super sticky. Oh, I just love how they look outside too. Like, I had to get some sunny footage for you guys. So if you guys are interested in this Polygel kit, head over to Amazon and check it out. Like I said it before, super affordable. You get 6 full-size bottles of Polygel, like that is unheard of. And you get everything you need for $47. Like, you can't beat that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one.